Namaskar. Welcome to Simplify Your Space. Diwali is just around the corner, and this beloved festival of India is not just about the celebrations. Lot of us devote dedicated time prior to Diwali in cleaning up and organizing homes. The energy that we spend in organizing and cleaning our homes, Ma Lakshmi ensures that we get back that energy manifold in return throughout the year. Like most of you, I too have started the Diwali cleaning and decluttering ritual. The first place that I started with is my kitchen. Over the last 2 years, I had gathered plenty of items and it was time to declutter. Today, I'm showing you my massive kitchen decluttering and will share a few tips to make this process easy and less overwhelming. Let's begin the video. If you're doing annual or festive cleaning, then I would strongly suggest to take out everything from all the cabinets. This presents a bird's eye view of your belongings and a great opportunity to clean the remotest corner. Yes, it may look overwhelming, but believe me, this is very effective. Over years, some unused items may completely bypass our attention. Decluttering helps to generate more efficient storage by sorting and recategorization of items and cabinets. Like in my kitchen, food storage boxes depending on make type were stored in 3 different cabinets. Over time, I found this inefficient for me. So this time I decided to dedicate just one single cabinet for this. If you're not planning to do complete decluttering, then you may just clean 1 or 2 cabinets every day, which is much easier on your time and energy. But I need to do a lot of changes, so I'm taking out everything. I'm also decluttering the kitchen in 3 batches: lower cabinets, upper cabinets, and pantry. Now, as per what all you have in different cabinets, segregate them into groups. Basic groups can be plates, bowls, glasses, cookware, storage containers, choppers, cutlery, etc. By doing this, you will know the exact count of particular items you own. Also, would you relate what a pleasure it is to find a note in your old pan out of nowhere?
इसके बाद यहाँ पे मुझे कुछ एक डेकोरेशन का सामान मिला. ये सामान पड़ा था, I don't know कहाँ से आया किचन के अंदर.
When we declutter, there is a good possibility to find the out of sight and forgotten utensils. By grouping, we can see the exact count and update our festive buying list if we need to. This will prevent any duplicate purchases. You can see I have kept everything in categories like pressure cookers, kadhais, pans, bowls, plates, etc. For purging, I have made 3 baskets. First one for trash, second for donation, and third for recycle. Once the grouping is done, purging is much easier. Now let's start the purging. I started with 1 basket but realized I have a lot of stuff to purge, so kept this big metal basket also. These are ceramic broken items, but they can be repurposed as planters. They will go into the recycle box. All the cookers are kept here. I had this aluminium idli cooker which I am replacing with new steel idli cooker. For regular cooking, I have 3 steel cookers which are enough for our family. I am planning to remove 2 aluminium and 1 anodized cooker which anyways I have not been using for last 1 year. I have 2 aluminium and 1 non-stick kadai. I am replacing these 3 kadais with beautiful and strong virginal steel kadai. Same way I am purging other stuff as well. Here I would suggest that if you're planning to change your cookware or utensils to steel, then get strong tri-ply cookware which come with thick base and prevent food from burning and easy to wash. Yes, they are a bit expensive but likely to last for years. Although I have replaced most of the aluminium stuff, few items are still there only for exigencies where I don't have the backup cookware. Recently we updated our kitchen with a dishwasher and it is logical to shift towards stainless steel. Festival time brings opportunity to buy new appliances and kitchen items primarily because of discounts and offers. I did some purchase too. I bought an idli cooker, a tea pan with glass lid, a casserole which is again with the glass lid, a bowl set, and this virginal steel kadai. All these steel cookware and utensils are from Meesho at great discount. They have lot of festival offers going on. Please check out Meesho if you are looking to buy new kitchen items. Now let's get back to purging. I have few broken mugs, but I may use them as planters. They really serve the purpose well. Same way I use this beautiful container as planter as well. Broken and useless items which has no purpose will directly go in the trash box. Tools which you have not been using for years are just occupying precious space in your cabinet. If you think you're not going to use them again, just say goodbye to them. Earlier, I used to store groceries in these lock and lock containers, but since I've shifted to glass and ceramic containers, these containers are lying unused. My plan is not to discard them, but shift them in a box and utilize in the other home. Some of these have been used in my utility area to segregate and store cleaning supplies. Lot of stuff which we think as trash can be repurposed somewhere in your home. These Tupperware containers are very strong and efficient. I don't have anything in my mind now, but will surely utilize them somewhere. I have a lot of disposable containers as well. These have been collected over time. Some are from takeaway food, empty bottles like this, few sweet and chocolate boxes, etc. They are useful for odd travel packing. Therefore, we'll keep a few, but we'll get rid of the rest. I have some glass jars and bottles also. These will be reused for storing groceries and spices. These green small baskets are kept in the cabinet for last 2 years. I really need to find some usage for them. Once the purging is done, clean the cabinets and don't forget to place liners. I always place these dining mats in all the cabinets. They keep the cabinets always clean. Now assign the cabinets for particular type of utensils. Thumb rule is to keep a particular type of items together. Like I have kept all the pressure cookers here at the bottom drawer with these 2 cast iron kadais. Before storing them, I have seasoned them properly. On the top cabinet, I placed all the milk bhagonas, tea pans, kadais, bowls, etc. In this drawer, which was earlier used for storing food storage boxes, I have kept all the pans. The side cabinet is assigned for all the small appliances. Big appliances are kept in the utility area for easy access. For all the storage containers, I have assigned this cabinet. Now it will be much easier for me to access containers from one cabinet and not like before when I had 3 different cabinets for this. When things are segregated and kept nicely, they are not only easy to access but look so beautiful also. Try to keep the occasionally used and spare items in a separate cabinet. I have made a separate box for such items. Mixing them with daily usage items is likely to hinder routine workflow. Like I have lot of strainers. I will keep these 3 here and rest will store in the box. I have extra graters, spatulas and this mortar and pestle also. So all this will go in this box. With this I will be able to use the tools thoroughly and spare items will take less space in daily use cabinets. Few extra plates which we use during pujas will go in this bag and will be stored separately in deep cabinet. These Tupperware bottles are good for traveling, so these will also go into storage. Occasionally used items like parat and steel colander will also go in this cabinet, but still will be kept in easy to access and visible place. It will help me keeping a regular daily cabinets clutter free and maintained. Make use of shelf rack to double up your cabinet space and utilize vertical space smartly. Different baskets can help segregate and organize. Like I have kept all the baking pans in this basket and other baking related items in a separate basket. This way everything is visible and things don't get mixed up. I have utilized these green baskets here to keep cookie cutters and muffin liners. Another basket is used here to store multiple items like grater, hot pot stand and few other occasionally used tools. I've also kept a basket in this plate cabinet to store glasses separately. Organizers and baskets help generate more space from the same space. Please keep an option of small drawer or cabinet to store multiple miscellaneous items which are hard to organize and even harder to find when needed. I have assigned this drawer as a miscellaneous drawer where I store a lot of things like rubber bands, opener, candles, matchbox, snack clips, cling wrap, paper napkins, etc. There is another drawer inside here which is utilized to store kitchen towels and cloths. These items easily clutter up the space, so keeping them separate away from other items is important. For pantry, I follow the same rules. Daily needed items in the front and occasionally used food items at the back. Let's start purging and organizing the extra stock of groceries first. While doing this, keep 2 baskets and label them as open snacks and expiring soon. With these, we can segregate open food snacks and the items which need to be used due to approaching expiration. Keep different baskets to group food items such as snacks, pulses, spices, and miscellaneous items. Segregation helps to keep items organized, clearly visible, and easy to access. Make use of waste, unused bottles and containers and fill up your groceries and spices in that. Don't fuss too much about different sizes and shapes. Yes, uniformity in containers is recommended to beautify the storage area. But at the same time, it feels good if we repurpose our unused items and make best out of them. I've kept these 2 baskets here so that we can see them first when we open the pantry and consume this food first. For baking, I have made a basket and kept separately from daily needed items. And now we are done with the pantry also. By following these steps, it was easy for me to complete my kitchen decluttering. Now as lot of stuff is out, it has generated more free space. The kitchen looks neat, well organized and easy to access. Lot of great kitchen items are available on huge discount on Meesho. Cookware, utensils, appliances and many more. You can also become a Meesho reseller and start earning from home. Share the catalog with your family and friends and start taking orders. Add your margin and place the order. Meesho will deliver the order on your behalf to your customers and will credit your margin in your bank account. More details about Meesho and app download link are given in the description box. We also have videos on Diwali kitchen and house cleaning. You can find the links of those videos in the description box. All the details and links of the products shown in this video are also provided in the description box. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and share it with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.